Hello, in this video I'm going to speak about the challenge number 10 and challenge number 11. In those challenges, I asked you to program the object and another smaller objects like these balls you see here in the screen. So the goal is to make the main character, yes, the cat, to go left and right, up and down using the arrows, and when the cat touches one of the balls, that disappears. And in this case I have programmed the ball to appear again in another place after 5 seconds. So let's check the code. Okay, in this case this is the code of the cat. As you can see, the typical when you tap the arrows move in that direction. In this case, I have added also the custom block to change the custom and make the cat walk. Okay, and then this is the initial situation block I explained you in the first call. Okay, just that when I push the flag, the cat goes again to the initial position. Okay, which is the code of the other objects? For example, the ball. This one. Yes, it says when I click the flag, when the game starts, just check if the ball is touching object number one, which is the cat. Okay, so we the object disappears, and after 5 seconds, it appears again, but in another place. Okay, where it's random because it's going to go in x to a number between minus 215 and 215. Why those numbers? Because I have checked with the ball that this point in x is around minus 220 and this point is around 220. So if I use this block, I am sure that it will appear somewhere from this wall to this wall. If I put a higher number, the ball will disappear, maybe here or here. Yes, and in Y I have used minus 165 and 165 because of the same reason, because this point is 162 and this point minus 165. Okay, so if I use this order with this block, I'm sure that the ball will appear again somewhere in the screen, but always inside the screen. I will avoid the ball appearing outside the screen. So this is the first step to create a game. Let's check if this works properly. Yes, the ball disappears, and after 5 seconds it's going to appear again in another place. There is the ball. Okay, but as you may know, in all the games you play, we always gain points. Okay, so the aim of the challenge number 10 was to create like a point counter. How to do this? We have to create a new variable here. Okay, here we can create variables. So we are going to create one, and it's going to be called points. Okay, so here I have my variable. First of all, I can click here. If I click here, it will appear here the points, so I can use this as the points counter. Okay, and what I'm going to do, if the cat touches a ball, I gain 1 point. So I go to the ball's code, okay, and if the ball touches the object, apart from disappearing, I'm going to add to my variable 1. Okay, I have to repeat this in all the balls. And now I have to check that each time I touch a ball, I gain 1 point. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I have to select here points. Okay, that's the mistake. Points and points. Okay, let's check now. Look, I have gained 1 point, 2 points for me, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points. That's it. Great. 6 points. Okay. And then, what about the last challenge, where I asked you to do the same thing we have done here, but changing the wallpaper each time I gain, for example, 10 points. So first of all, I have to have different wallpapers. Okay, so I click here in wallpapers in sceneries, and I can check here how many I have. Okay, I have already uploaded 2 more wallpapers. Okay, the canyon and the nebulous. So what I'm going to do, there is a block here, for example. No, not here. I can create that block, for example, for the wallpaper. Yes. So if I'm going to need 3 like this. Okay. If my variable yes, my variable points, here I have points. If points is higher, if I need 10 points, that means that being higher of 9. Okay. No, this is going to give me problems. Equal. If points is equal to 10, I will change my wallpaper, apariencia, cambiar fondo to canyon. Okay. And for example, if my points are 15, I will change the wallpaper to nebulosis. Okay. And this must be repeated always. Por siempre and por siempre. Okay, but what happens? I need another initial situation. Why? Because if I lose and my video game starts again, I need to go to the first wallpaper. So this is very easy. Just when I click the flag, when I start, I have to go to Arctic. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Another and just one just the end. Yes. If I start again the game, I need to have 0 points. So when I click the flag, my points are going to be 0 points. Okay, so if I click the flag, I have 0 points. Let's see what happens. I gain 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next level. Yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Last level, okay? This is how we can create different levels in the game, okay? And we could design a final level uh, with some letters or words telling us that we have won the game, okay? So try to do it, and if you have any question, you can contact me by Teams.